In Xpedition 2604, we've introduced new enhancements to the CELUS integration with Connect that make it easier to move from early-stage design into implementation. Starting in CELUS, we can now save the design and send the complete project package directly to Connect. This package includes ECAD schematic and layout models, along with component footprint data. From Connect, we can open the project directly into Xpedition Designer. This creates a much smoother handoff into the design environment without needing to manually import the project. Once in Designer, we can bring in the library data provided by CELUS using Library Services and Library Manager. This allows us to quickly associate the design with library components and continue development. Together, these updates in Xpedition 2604 simplify the transition from concept to detailed design and help accelerate your overall workflow.